calendar will tell you it's Christmas time, but the temperatures won't. It's not going to feel like it out there. 68, 69 degrees for our highs today. Overnight tonight, 57, 58 degrees. This is where we should be for highs. So we're quite warm out there, and we'll get a little bit closer to that as we get into the next couple of days, but it's not going to feel like it. The other thing, unfortunately, the allergens are just not giving up here. High for the mountain cedar there. Now, I will say that tomorrow we have a storm system coming in. It looks like it will kind of maybe break this up and settle this a little bit to where it won't be quite as oppressive, but I would say if the allergies are bothering you, just keep those regimens going over the next few days here at least. Now here's the big picture, and I want to show you just a couple of things. First, if you look at this front on a map, it's not really going to do anything for us. That's going to slide on to the east. This system up here is what we want to watch. This is the one that will bring storms tomorrow, the day before Christmas, Christmas Eve. That will sag southward, and then over to the west we're looking at another system, and that one here looking much more impressive. This will be the day after Christmas. Now, I understand that December 26th in this area carries some weight, brings some anxiety. The good news is, as impressive as this system looks right now, it doesn't look like it's going to be the kind of tornado outbreak that we saw in 2015. There could be some severe weather with this one, but it looks like mostly hail, high winds, and that's with the storms that do become severe. At this point, it just doesn't look like a widespread severe weather event. Neither does Christmas Eve, but we can't rule out a few stronger storms. For Christmas Eve, we do have this risk of severe weather here, a marginal risk for really most of our area. This continues on down into East and South Texas, down towards Houston, over towards Tyler, that sort of thing. And I think that those places might see a little bit more. For us, I really think that the primary issue would be winds and hail from some of these storms. And even at that, I don't see hail getting larger than quarter, half dollar size winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour in those stronger storms. I think as we get into tomorrow morning, we could even see some sprinkles overnight. Light showers, spottier showers in the morning. As we get into the afternoon and evening hours, that's when we will see the better chance of thunderstorms and possibly a severe storm or two along with that. So let's just get straight into the forecast here and just kind of talk about what to expect this week. 68 today, again, warm. It'll be breezy out there, mostly cloudy. I mean, you can see the clouds this morning. They're going to hang around. Overnight tonight, 57. Tuesday, pretty mild, breezy. Showers and thunderstorms. Again, I think we could see some spotty showers in the morning, excuse me, but in the afternoon, that is when we are more likely to see some of that more thunderous, thunderstormy activity out there. And there could be a strong to severe storm or two in that. Overnight, right around 50. Christmas, we do look closer to normal, 63 degrees for your high, still fairly warm. Northwest winds, it'll be mostly cloudy that day, I think. Could be more breaks in the sun, but I do think that for the most part, we will be pretty cloudy on Christmas. 53 overnight. Thursday, another warm day, another stormy day. We will see storms coming in. Timing is a little unclear here, but it looks like it's mostly daytime here. So it could be early half of the day. But again, it's a little unclear. And the severe risk is a little unclear too. But again, it just doesn't look like a major setup for major storms there. So I'm not too terribly concerned. Close to 70 again, 47 overnight. And then as we get into the weekend, things finally calm down. Warm though, 69, 67, 68 for your high as it stays mild out there. And late Friday, early Saturday, another chance of showers and thunderstorms. This doesn't look as widespread. And then warm, but sunny getting into Sunday. So it's going to be fairly mild. We won't feel anything like Christmas time here. We will be watching the storms these 2 days. Trust me, I'm going to make sure that we are covering these storms well. I know that there's traveling folks who are out of town, new folks are in town. Excuse me, these different things are going on. So I will be keeping an eye on all of that for you throughout the holiday season here. And at least we have Christmas without storms. So we will be keeping you updated on all of this. Again, severe weather possible both days, but not looking like a major event. So stay tuned to South Metro Weather as we continue to bring you more information on the storms expected for the next few days.